Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Life Reviewed. My name is Deb and I hope you guys are doing alright. So today we are back with another unboxing video. This is the Lenovo Legion M200 RGB gaming mouse. This costs around 2719. This is the MRP, but you can get this at around 1069. So let's go ahead and see what is inside the box. So this is the box, 6-button design, RGB. This is the back side. This has a 1-year warranty. Country of origin is China. This is a nice little velcro here. That's something new. So that's the mouse. Okay. This is a nice unboxing experience. Something different. So this here is the mouse, nicely packed. Lots of shenanigans. Okay, let's put the box away. So first of all, we have some documentation. There's the warranty card and operating manual. And what's this? Service and warranty information. Now coming to the mouse itself. Let us weigh this. On the official website, this was listed at around 150 grams. Let's see what actually is the weight of that. 113 for the mouse, and along with the braided cable, exactly 150. That's nice. So let me tell you a bit about this mouse. This is an ambidextrous mouse. So people, left-handed, right-handed people can use this, but as you can see, the side buttons are on the left side. So this favors right-handed persons. This has a 6-button design. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This has up to 2400 dpi, which I would say that is less compared to the other gaming mouse today out in the market, which may be because this might be an older model. I'm not sure in which year this was released. So this has a dpi rate of 2400, as I said, but other brands these days are giving up to from 3600 dpi to 8000. So I know the Logitech mouses gives up to 8000 dpi. So that is something which I do not like. I will use this to know how exactly this translate to usage. I'll be doing a review of this very soon, where I will test that. Subscribe to the channel for that. So coming back to this has adjustable 4-level DPI switch, which is here. There are 4 DPI levels. This is a 7-color backlight. This is a braided cable. This is 1.8 meter braided cable. Also this is 500 frame per second. These keys are, this left and right keys are tested for 5 million keystrokes. I would say that is a lot. Mouse usually don't last that long. The other mouses are tested for around 1 million keystrokes, so that's some good thing. The side buttons are tested for 1 million keyboards, which are this. The scroll wheel is for 300 strokes, and the DPI switch is for 3 million strokes. Sorry, the scroll wheel, I said 300, is 3 million keystrokes, and the DPI is also 3 million keystrokes. And yes, let me show you the profile of that. Not that loud. The side buttons are very clicky. Let me plug this in. The USB is gold plated, so that's one good thing. Looks quite nice. This has 7 colors which keeps on cycling. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, share and subscribe, and I'll be posting the review of this very soon, so do keep an eye out for that. I will see you in the next one. Till then, check out one of our latest videos here, and goodbye.